without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone, oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too, oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you, you, yeah. Mayday, mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me, only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind, you know, you ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself, 'cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging, let's just sleep today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time, 'cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you, you, yeah. Mayday, mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me, only thing I need is your love. Mayday, mayday, is there anybody who can help me, help me? I don't think my heart is working lately.
Alright y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Hermosa Hair. Shout out to you, Hermosa, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys know, you know that your girl loves some Hermosa Hair because they come through with the come through, okay? So the unit that they sent me is their 13x4 HD normal hairline 24-inch 220% density wig. So if I'm not mistaken, this particular unit is a Jerry curly wig. On their site it says blonde highlight wig, curly human hair frontal wig, 13x4 undetectable lace with front wig. It is available in 16 to 30 inches, and they have all of those being even numbers. The lace size is 13x4, 13 with normal baby hair, and 13x4 with the 4C curly edge. I have the normal baby hair, but you guys can obviously get the 4C curly edge if you like. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna be any extra money if you do decide to get the curly edge. So if you want the curly edge, you can do it with looks like no additional cost. But girl, click that link just in case. Check it for yourself, because your girl could be wrong, okay? And it also comes in a 5x5 and a 13x6. Now you guys know I love a closure. Had I known this wig came in a closure, your girl would have got the closure. I love a closure. But anyways, the densities that are available is 150, 180, and 220%. As I stated, they did send me the 220. So it says the hair material is 100% virgin hair from one donor. It's Jerry curly hair. I thought it was. Hey, go Chrissy. Go Chrissy. Go Chrissy. Alright, the densities are the densities that I stated earlier. It says it comes in a P1B/27 honey blonde highlight color. So that is the color of this unit. And HD lace, ultra realistic and most natural hairline, blah blah blah. Okay, so those are all the details and specs. It also has on there that you can bleach this wig up to 27. So to me, I always describe a number 27 to basically be like a honey blonde. So this wig can be bleached all the way up to a honey blonde, obviously, because you see those highlights in it. So yeah. Now, as for me, to me this unit is big head friendly. It does have the adjustable straps and the elastic band, and I utilize both. So yeah, girl, do with that what you want to do with that, because I can only tell you about the head that's on my shoulders. In my opinion, because I had to adjust both for it to fit snugly, I deem it to be big head friendly, more big head friendly than not. But if I don't have to adjust a unit, then I say it's more small to medium head friendly. In my opinion, this particular wig is medium to large head friendly. But girl, once again, do whatever you want to do with it. All right. As far as shedding and tangling, honestly, I have not noticed any straight out the packaging. That's not to say old girl won't at some point. Just as straight out the packaging, old girl's doing none of the things. And it's Jerry curly. It's not like a deep wave or anything like that. So I really didn't expect it to, because Jerry curly and water wave units, in my opinion, are way looser and less tangly. But that's just my opinion, girl. And yeah, as far as his hairline, honey, old girl woke up like this. Okay. She woke up like this. Now I did bleach the knots, but the hairline, it came like this. I ain't do nothing. I ain't do none of that. So yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons, as well as full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note. And honestly girl, the only con I can think of is the fact that it's a 13x4. I couldn't think of nothing else. And honestly, this 13x4 kind of goes pretty far back. But it's still gonna have to be my con, because I couldn't think of no other con. So that's gonna be my con. Now, as far as the pros, like y'all, this hairline, once again, is hairlining. And with Hermosa hair, and I don't know if it's just a me thing, but their units always fit me really nicely. I only have to cut off a little bit of lace and a little bit of hair when I wear their unit. So that is always a pro to me, because I feel like it makes it super beginner friendly. Only if you have my kind of head though. So I don't know if it's the same case with everybody, but for me, their units always fit me. Chef's kiss, okay? Also, the hair in itself and the color and the overall look, just love everything about it, girl. Just love everything about it. So yeah, those are gonna be all of my pros. Obviously, girl, I would recommend it. Have I ever reviewed a Hermosa unit and not? Okay, like their units, they, like I said, they always come through with the come through. So yeah, obviously I would definitely recommend this wig. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling this wig as much as I am. Sound off down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions on this unit. And once again, shout out to you, Hermosa, for sending me this wig and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both the IG and TikTok. I'm helping me see on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Your love completely got every styles and weekly. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look.